In computing, there are two main ways for a CPU to know when a device needs attention. It can either keep checking or just wait until it's called. This is the classic battle, polling versus interrupts. One is like constantly asking, "Are we there yet?" And the other is like getting a phone call when it's time. Let's see who wins this showdown. Polling means the CPU actively checks the status of a device at regular intervals. Imagine a security guard who keeps walking by each door to see if it's open. It's simple to implement and predictable in timing. You don't need any special hardware setup, just a loop in your code. This works well for small systems where devices respond quickly and tasks are straightforward. Interrupts flip the model. Instead of the CPU constantly asking, the device sends a signal, an interrupt, when it needs service. It's like a doorbell. The CPU works on other things until the bell rings. Then it immediately responds. This reduces wasted time and improves responsiveness, making it perfect for urgent or unpredictable events. Of course, both approaches have trade-offs. Polling is simple but can waste CPU time, especially if events are rare. Interrupts are efficient but add complexity. You must write interrupt service routines carefully, keep them short, and handle shared data safely. Also, in real-time systems, polling may give more predictable timing than interrupts. So, which should you choose? Use interrupts for events that are rare but need quick action, like emergency sensors, incoming network packets, or button presses. Use polling for regular, predictable checks, like reading a temperature sensor every second. And remember, many systems use both, polling for routine tasks, interrupts for urgent ones. The secret is to match the tool to the timing and importance of the job.